better when someone else makes it. Yeah, that's true.
But it was such a simple
Wow,
thing.
you're so special.
What do you think that is?
Here, why don't you open it right here?
Why that was so.
It wouldn't have been special if you had those.
He liked these.
Ah, the book at your school.
They have this one at school too?
I have no idea. I don't know. That looks like a new book.
Great
Book two.
book.
Two great.
I love it.
Wow, look, he's sleeping in the tree.
You almost got that, so
Little monkeys.
in the master list, you know. Yeah. Well, Kiva said that they take things off once you buy them. Oh, that's true. Okay.
You would open the next one. Can you pick up that paper for me
Oh,
first?
Mary Ann, you have to remind me to buy that wedding early. You don't want to,
Yeah, it's not a problem.
Did you get it all?
Unless you want to make some.
He's handsome. Okay.
They'd really like
Open
this.
the next one.
Handmade.
is that what this was? Yeah, I'm not
Thank you,
making
buddy.
it. We could bake her some.
This one is adult supervision.
What is that, Maxwell?
What is it?
A rocket ship.
Rocket ship?
Rocket ship.
Wow.
Here, honey, you gotta turn around so I can get you.
You say thank you to Nona and Pop Pop?
Welcome. Thank you for saying that.
Should we open it?
So,
Thanks.